The P0380 code in Renault and Dacia cars with diesel engines tells you about the problems with the glow plug heater circuit. There are basically three most common culprits for this code. One of the glow plugs is blown, the glow plug relay, or better call it the control module, is malfunctioning, or there is a lost connection between the control module and plugs. Now, potentially the problem may be caused by problems with the fuses and connections in the fuse box, but this is extremely uncommon in these cars. First of all, unless your vehicle goes into limp mode when you get this code, there is nothing critically bad and you can continue driving. The glow plugs are mainly required in winter to preheat the combustion chamber for quicker engine start, but of course the problem shouldn't be ignored completely. In most cases, when you see this code, you may get new glow plugs and just replace 4 of them. Fortunately, in Renault engines, they are very easy to replace, and this won't take you more than 1 hour to do. Also, 4 plugs will probably cost you less than a good inspection at the dealership, at least if you are in the EU countries or in the UK. So it's a good step, especially if the glow plugs have more than 50,000 kilometers on them or are not OEM. Of course, when the plugs are out, you can test them with the multimeter and check the resistance between the two ends. If you don't get readings on the multimeter, the plug is broken. But even if you do get the readings, the resistance readings, it doesn't necessarily mean that the plug is okay. The average lifespan of glow plugs in modern engines is between 50 and 100,000 kilometers. Now, if this doesn't help and you still get the P0380 code, the next step is to find the opportunity to scan the vehicle with a Renault-specific scanner. It will give you much more valuable information for diagnosing the problem. Also, with proper software, you can test the glow plugs and the glow plug relay to see what else may require your attention. Unless the problem is in the glow plugs, you shouldn't keep wild guessing it, since the repair may eventually cost you quite a lot. It's better to find someone with proper software and have the car inspected.